So ukishaona rais hapa, jua rais wa entertainment ako kwa nyumba ya. Na he will also be the master of ceremony. Yeah. Hiyo siku mazee, please buy VVIP. Ndio upige picha na president. Yeah. Mimi napenda Kenyan entertainment. And so this is something that me personally I can't wait for. So get your tickets, that's all I can say. Get your tickets. Tupatane hapa Carnivore. Buy in advance to celebrate.
Itakuwa utamu wa maisha. Ukikosa hii hautaenda mbinguni. Tupatane tarehe 8. Na bado twaenda mbali. 15 sani viviwa more than that. Twatoka mbali na bado twaenda mbali. 15 sani viviwa more than that. Bro, naribu.
Leo ni Wednesday. Wednesday sinanga voice. Nitafute weekend.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN. The best ahead of the rest.
Thank you very much. We are glad to host you guys here. We have invited you for us to share information about our very big event, tunaita Nyadhi Festival. Nyadhi Festival is an event of its own, a very big event that is not only a one-day event. It is a celebration. John Junior's 15 years in the music industry. We all know John Junior has been in the music industry for more than 15 years. But this time we are celebrating 15 years in a different style and fashion. We are glad to be joined by our partners. We are the secretariat here. We are glad to be joined by Eric Omondi on this. So guys, kueni tayari for massive entertainment courtesy of Nyadhi Festival.
Also on the same, just to add on to to what Mike was saying before, we will be selling the tickets on the platform tikiti.co.ke, and we have 3 categories of tickets. Regular will be going for 2,000 shillings. VIP will be going for 5,000 shillings, and VVIP will be going for 10,000 shillings. So guys, brace yourselves for such an event which will bring to you on the 8th of June.
Asante sana. Classic. Hebu enda live kwanza. Lazima fans wangu tumesahau kwenda live. Tumesahau kwenda live hapa na fans pia wajue. Very important. Dakika moja tu.
Mondi yudu muli kodokoth jarapogi kaka skiza tune mari D-Star abora uchiel nono star angwena chela uchiel hash
ne baro jen kacha moli ene nyalo paro moli nena kwayo gwen
Oteni usini kod LTN Luo Trending Nation. Weche mopondo, weche mopandi, inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe.
Ne sigana mamulongi mani, sigandi joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundo ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samoro
tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu weche gi kamora mora maintie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kae. Kete mana kokidwa kete ka to bro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation. Ne adieri makende.
Mimi naitwa Eric Omondi, President of Comedy Africa. So ukishaona rais hapa, jua rais wa entertainment ako kwa nyumba ya. Na he will also be the master of ceremony. Yeah. Hiyo siku mazee, please buy VVIP. Ndio upige picha na president. Yeah. But anyway, we are here to celebrate John Jr. And we know that Luo music now literally imebeba industry ya Kenya. Yeah. The tune, the style, and we will be celebrating here venye mwambiwa. It's a festival, it's not just an event. Mimi yangu itakuwa kuhakikisha kuomba followers wangu wa Kenya wote tububunjuke, tufururuke, tujaya hapa. Hiyo siku kutakuwa na laughter, kutakuwa na dance, ni party. But unajua there's a way we party, and it's not a Luo event. It's a Nyadi. Nyadi means style, yeah? Opulence, yeah? Grandeur. Yeah? It means, what is the other word? Class. It means VVIP. It means, it is extravagant, yeah? Sophisticated, yeah? So bring your person, I will let your person bring you. Sindio? Toko hapa tunacheka, mimi nitakuwa niko kwa mic. Na of course mazee anza kubuy tickets saizi. Na buy tickets at
tikiti.co.ke.
Tikiti.co.ke.
Buy your tickets, choose the category.
Yes.
Get the tickets.
Buy them now. Mimi najua hawa bana Wajaluo watakuja hapa wanunue in 1 minute, yeah? But we have over a month, yeah? That's how you prepare a festival. We'll be giving a lot of information. They are on my own page. But apart from John being my brother, mimi napenda Kenyan entertainment. And so this is something that me personally, I can't wait for. So get your tickets, that's all I can say. Get your tickets. Tupatane hapa Carnival. Buy in advance to celebrate. Sindio? Wacha tusikie from the horse's mouth.
Yes. As you all have heard, it's Nyadi Festival. And Nyadi Festival will be right here at Carnival Grounds on 8th of June 2024. Itakuwa utamu wa maisha. Ukikosa hii hautaenda miguuni. Tupatane tarehe 8.
Parking, wacha niongee Ingluo. Unajua Ingluo ndio Kijaluo na English ni lugha moja. So kutakuwa na ample parking. Kutakuwa na chakula, tutakuwa na cuisine. Cuisine, yeah? It's very it's 360, it's all round. Tunakuja kukunywa, kukula, kudance. Tusikie mazee mimi naleta mtu wangu anapenda rumba yako sana. So as he's just informing me here, it's all under one roof, yeah? Usikule, kuja utakula hapa, yeah?
Don't forget about the security as well. Security is gonna be top notch.
Hey, there's information here that the speakers and the woofers and everything utaona hapa, Hombos will be launching their machines for the very first time. Yes, but Mimi, I request to get your tickets as soon as now. I know we have a month to go, but get your tickets as early as now. Nanunua VVIP bwana, ama namna gani?
Safi. So yeah, karibuni sana. Security yenu is number 1 as well. Mkuje prepare that will take good care of you. Mkuje mupate value for your money. VVIP, mkuje VIP kabisa, hata kwenye regular, si ndio? Lakini wote ni watu wetu. Will take good care of yourselves.
Just to ask you maybe about Nyadi Festival. I've seen the tickets are going for 2,000 for regular, VIP 5,000, VVIP 10,000. just to understand this, let us understand what is experience. Ingia VIP napata nini, nikikuwa VIP na experience nini, na watu wa regular watakuwa wanaona nini?
Oh, sure. So vile tulivyosema, VVIP. Okay, let me start with the regular. Regular utakuwa na ample space ya kudance. You're going to have ample space ya kukunywa, ya kukula, meza, viti vitakuwepo. On the VIP, we are going to have a very nice setup, tables. Each table containing having 5 chairs, so gives you ample space ya kukaa na mabeshte wako, mkunywe na mkule vizuri. There will be a lot of dancing space. On the VVIP, we will be giving you a totally different experience. Your sitting room coming into the entertainment area, very nice sofas with the waiters at your disposal, and a very good ambience to accompany the same.
Nyadi Festival, are we expecting now Luo's prominent, leaders, when it's about festival, it's about, having good time. Are we expecting to see people landing with choppers?
Personally, I will.
Of course.
We will be having people of high profile coming into the festival. Rico Mondi, as they have said, he will be landing in chopper. Our CEO will be surprising people. I think we'll let that out when the time comes. We expect people, the political class and people of all social classes to be present for the event.
Everyone.
So, we know Johnny Jr. is the king of Rumba in Kenya. Maybe has he invited some of his international friends? He's an international artist. Has he invited some of his international friends? Or just within the region? Are we maybe expecting somebody from DRC? Or are we expecting somebody from France? Or from Belgium?
Yes.
We are trying to get in touch with some, but for now, it will not only be a John Jr. fair. We have other artists from within that will also be gracing the occasion. In due time, we will reveal which artists we will be having, and it's gonna be a good experience.
Just get prepared for lots of great surprises.
So what time is it starting and to what time?
Gates will be open as from 6, and we're gonna party till Majogozi weekend. Zikikataa tunaendelea.
So it's gonna be few days, not one day. Which other days are you going to see this event? Where?
No, the event is on the 8th of June. So before the event, we'll have other activities, but the event at Carnival is gonna be one day.
It's a celebration of the 15 years. Yeah?
Yes.
So actually, I think the event is on the 8th, but the festival begins now.
Yes. Correct.
From this Ishanza.
Correct.
Ishanza, yes.
Plus, the acts will not only be Luo. We expect a lot of acts from different communities.
Different genres of
represent
music.
Every community. Kama ni genge, utapata tu mtu wako kuja hapa. Kama unapenda tuseme ni bongo, somebody will be there.
Yes.
Kama unapenda rumba, you will find people there. Kama it's pop music, everybody will be there. Both female and male artists.
Now, any affair that includes Luos is always full of surprises. Hata najua fans wangu wanaocha hapo wanachanga, utakuwa surprised bro. Mimi nimekuwa kwa event. So wale watu wanakuja na chopa, kuna parking. Kuna parking ya chopa.
Kuna parking yetu hapa kando.
Now I'll be coming with a chopper as usual. I always come with a chopper. But sasa pia usitoe chopa Wilson ukuja hapa. Chopa lazima hata kama ni Wilson nenda mpaka Makueni ndio urudi. Ndio sasa omofwa Sasa kutakuwa na competition pia machopa. Zile machopa za kutoka Wilson zina land Wilson. Lazima utoke mbali. But on a serious note, we're going to have a lot of entertainment, a lot of comedy is covered. Yeah? Na umesikia umeambiwa hapo, it's not just a Luo affair, but kutakuwa na every taste of music kwa menu. Na John ametuambia hapa, as we move along, watakuwa na reveal nani anakuja. Si ndio? Asante. Kosa?
More questions?
Kosa?
Thank you.
Thank you. Asante sana.
Come on. Do this and sign out.
Collab.
Collab, oh yeah.
Si festival iko na page?
No.
Not yet. Bro, lazima kuongeza hii.
No, festival.
No. Ndio.
Kama unataka kapela kidogo tutumie
Sure. Oh, okay. Sawa.
Ile kapela kidogo nakwambia watu hata wengine kwa kidogo.
Hiyo page tunahitaji.
Wacha niimbe wimbo gani?
Kama mashabiki, hiyo ndio unaita mashabiki waje. Ama gani ndio?
Akapenda.
Si ni edit, ni kuweka kwa hiyo ni edit, ndio?
So, twende?
Waza kutoka Samora?
Twatoka mbali na bado twaenda mbali. 15 sani viviwa morogandate. Twatoka mbali na bado twaenda mbali. 15 sani viviwa morogandate. Bro, karibu.
Leo ni Wednesday. Wednesday sina voice. Nitafute weekend. Iko sawa. Iko sawa. Bwana yawe mpiji.
Nyakoramogi be isebedo gi achiedh nade ka ipenjori kama inyalo chwalo lendo magi ne jopiny, obed lendo mag ohala, lando nyasi kaachiel kod lendo mamoko mathoth. Bas kik ibed gi kiondko moro amora, nimar LTN Luo Trending Nation ni ka nikech in. Wan kod jolendo man gi oteku kendo nigi lony mamalo mar chwalo ni lendo meki ne oganda. Ne ler mathoth tudri kodwa e nembniwa magin 07 11 92 32 74 kata 07 02 39 55 62 kata 07 68 21 42 45. Bende nyalo oronwa ote e luotrendingnation@gmail.com. Lendo manimba managi LTN Luo Trending Nation. Monde yud kazi ya msalaba kod Liz Nyaseme kaka skiza tune mari D-Star abora chiel star ochikoria dek hash. Oteni usuni kod LTN Luo Trending Nation.
Hapa chini tu.
Hata wana kungoja. Wewe usikuje kwa details zangu. Usionyeshe contract yangu. Wewe unakuja hivi kwa details zangu. Alafu muende mni So I'm biggest contract of 2024. Clause 4A, Section C. The client shall provide one and security need 13. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we invite you. Mkuje kwa wingi. Kwena ngoma. Muziki bila hapa. Kanyinga. Manyinga.
Nyingi tu lengi zaidi.
Okay.
Artist.
Muziki bila jasho ama ni rumba bila jasho?
Karibuni wangwana.
Kama.
Good.
Ero hamiyan he.
Mani boro jogigi nyaroti natina.
Simba nyaka miduong.
Mondi yudi Simba nyaka miduong kod Hannington mondi kaka skiza tune mari. D-Star, abura chela star, ochikwari aburo hash.
Miduong. Wilayo simba.
Uteni, usini kod LTN, Luo Trending Nation.